Now, all new tonight, the legalization of marijuana is a hot topic being debated right now in our state. And while lawmakers are researching, they're looking at the results in other states that took the lead. And the findings may surprise you. Channel 3's Matthew Campbell is in Hartford with a closer look.
Well, Denise and Mark, there's one stat that really startles experts in this study. In 2014, 1 in every 6 drivers involved in a fatal crash had recently used marijuana. Now, experts say there's no reason to believe what's happened in Washington won't happen here if marijuana is legalized. Are you high right now?
I wouldn't say high, but I'm medicated right now at the moment, yes.
Christopher Maldonado wants to legalize marijuana.
Marijuana is not a bad drug. I mean, it got me off 3 antidepressants and 60 milligrams of opiates. Can I get an amen for that?
While Maldonado has nothing but praise for the drug, he even admits to driving while medicated. This is how he says he feels behind the wheel.
Relaxed, normal, and very alert and paying attention to what I'm doing.
But a study released today by AAA disagrees. They focused on the state of Washington, which legalized the recreational use of marijuana in 2012. The study shows fatal crashes have doubled since then, and 1 in 6 drivers involved in them recently smoked marijuana. It did not show if drivers had other substances in their system.
Look into their system, and I can guarantee you it wasn't a fatality due to marijuana.
We spoke with Dr. J. Craig Allen, the medical director at a local drug treatment center, who says high or medicated smokers will see an effect that would be dangerous if driving.
These effects can impact your coordination, your motor control, your judgment.
People who smoke marijuana and they drive slow and watch out for the cops. People that drink, they drive fast and don't watch out for the cops.
Dr. Allen says sober driving always beats impaired driving.
Smoking marijuana isn't as bad as another drug, may be valid, but why use any drug that is going to have an impact on safety while you're on the road?
4 states and Washington, D.C. have recently legalized recreational use of marijuana. 20 states, including Connecticut, have legalized it for medicinal purposes. That's the latest. Here in Hartford, Matthew Campbell, Channel 3 Eyewitness News.
Now, we did reach out to state police wanting to get some local statistics, but we still haven't heard back. Dr. Allen said the numbers won't truly be reflective, however, because unlike alcohol, tests usually aren't done on the spot. That'll do it for the news tonight at 5:30. I will see you tomorrow in Meriden. Have a great night, everyone. The news at 6 starts right now.